Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you been? It's been a minute, I know, right? So guys, today we are going to be starting the new series, Make Money Online series, and we are kicking off with 6 ways to make money online. So let's get into this. Guys, the first way to make money online is by creating and selling stock images and videos. So companies need copyright-free stock images and videos in their marketing materials, in their video explainers, even in their commercials, in some of their presentations. Companies, individuals, professionals use these stock images, use stock videos, and this is where you come in. You can create them and sell them on certain platforms. Shutterstock, Stock. Tools that you will need to get started as a beginner will be a professional camera with a very great lens, because the crisp and the sharpness of these images and videos go a long way. To understand how to use certain apps such as Snapseed, Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, you could start from there as a beginner to get started in creating your own stock images and photos. Some of the skills that you will need would be photography skill, videography skills. You will also need to research more about the niche that you want to be creating these videos and photos for. So the second way to make money online is by creating and selling online courses. Yes, so you could create and sell courses on e-learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare. You could create your own course, your own videos. You could create them in modules, in steps, as long as you have expertise in those fields. So the skills that you would need will be your expertise in that field. You will also need editing skills to be able to edit your videos and create them in batches and in modules. Tools that you will need started would be filter, a professional camera with very good lens, or even your mobile device that has a very good camera. Some of the platforms that you would need to help in creating your videos could be InShot, could be CapShot, could be Premiere Pro. This starts with these platforms as a beginner. So the third way to make money online is by creating and selling royalty-free music. So guys, for those of you musically inclined, this is an opportunity for you to make money online. You can create your own sound, you can create your own music and sell it on the platforms that people usually go to buy them from. So companies need this royalty-free music in their commercials, in their content, in their marketing materials, all because of copyright issues. They need royalty-free music, and that's where you come in. You can create this royalty-free music and sell it on platforms like Epidemic Music. You can sell it on Pond5. You create and have your own YouTube niche and give it out for free actually, and people eventually download, subscribe, and YouTube begins to pay you. So there are several opportunities and places that you can sell your royalty-free music. The skills that you will need in this case will be songwriting skills, music production skills, the use of technical equipment that you would use to produce your sound, your speakers, and so on. So this is majorly for people who are musically inclined, who have the talent of music, who can play instruments. You can create your own sound and sell it, copyright-free sounds. So guys, the fourth way to make money online is by creating and selling print on demand for your drop shipping store or website. Journals, t-shirts, uniforms, cups, all types of print materials. People need them. All you have to do is to connect a production company and a fulfillment company to your e-commerce site, and you can create your designs and market to people to buy. The skills that you will need to get started will be designing skills. You will also need skills in determining the kind of products to pick, and also your marketing skills that can help you with your print on demand are Canva, Printify, Printful. You could also use Amazon for your fulfillment, Etsy, Marketplace, Shopify to create your e-commerce store. Those are the platforms that can help you with your print on demand and your drop shipping. The fifth way to make money online is by creating and selling ebooks and workbooks. So people use ebooks and workbooks as a training guide, as presentation slides or guide. Use platforms such as Etsy to sell your workbooks or ebooks. You could also sell them on Amazon with skills like editing, copywriting, illustration, writing and editing. Tools that can help you in creating your workbooks or ebooks are tools like Canva, Google Sheets, Excel, PowerPoint, Illustrator, and so on. You just have to choose the one that you feel you are more comfortable using when creating your workbooks or ebooks. Guys, the sixth way to make money online is by creating and selling your own marketing template. Individuals, organizations use marketing templates for all marketing activities. People use these templates to help them make their marketing faster, easier, especially for small-scale organizations who do not have access to a large number of employees. Use marketing templates and they are willing to buy it as long as these templates are targeted to their niche and to their needs. Platforms that you can use in creating your marketing templates could be Canva, Illustrator, use Photoshop. These are platforms that you could easily sell a digital downloadable marketing templates that people can use over and over again. To sell your marketing templates or platforms such as Etsy, Shopify, you could also create your own personal website to sell your marketing templates. So marketing templates such as your social media marketing templates, your email marketing templates, your website templates, your video explainers templates. There are so many marketing templates that you could start from today. Skills that you will need in your marketing templates will be copywriting skills, designing skills, illustration skills, a skill of an understanding of certain niches and understanding the kind of marketing requirements for that niche. You will also need a little bit of marketing expertise to get started. There you have it, guys. Those are the 6 ways that you can make money online that are passive in nature. These are not just the only ways to make money online, but I chose this based on the passiveness in nature, based on the long-term gain and profitability, and based on the ease of creating them and using platforms. So for our next video, we are going to be picking one of these ways to make money online, create products that we would need to market and sell. So guys, please like, share, subscribe to this channel, share with somebody that needs to start making money online this year. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.